Hey guys, how to enable 2FA Authenticator apps on Kraken. Just press the avatar icon at the top left. Scroll a little bit down to find security. Just press security. And you're gonna find two options for two-factor authentication: passkeys and Authenticator app. Just go ahead, press Authenticator app. And as you can see, I already activated it. So make sure to go and hit Authenticator app and choose apps like Google Authenticator or Authy, right? And once you select it, just confirm that you have, or they will give you like an address. You're gonna go back and use it in the Authenticator app, right? And you're gonna hit the plus button at the bottom right, and then enter the setup key. They will give you a setup key, and enter. Just once you have the the setup key, add like a title for it and add the key right here. Press add, and now you generated now you have activated two-factor authentication. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.